Find your life purpose. Presented by Teach Clear. Have you ever pondered this question? What is my life purpose? This can be the most frightening question, but it definitely is the most important question you can ever ask yourself. And at first we are out of focus until little by little our purpose comes into focus and then everything is clear to us. Why should you have a life purpose? Well, a life without a clear purpose is like driving a car with no direction and destination. A life with a clear purpose is like driving a car with GPS. Purpose will boost your health, purpose will make your goal, and purpose will make you decide. You will find your purpose if you answer a few questions. Number 1. What's important to you and why? Number 2. What are you good at? And number 3. How could the world be improved? So when you combine what's important to you and why, the things that you are talented at or that you like to do, and they come easy to you, and things and ways that the world can be improved, then all of that will kind of guide you toward your purpose. Ask yourself, do you have a life purpose? Yes, so that will make you super happy for sure. No, and definitely you will feel a little bit lost, like empty inside, like that. And then once you start aligning with your purpose, everything will start changing inside of you, and the level of joy will drastically increase. Thank you. We welcome your feedback and feel free to get in touch with us or with me. Bye.